you get patients abazokufuna ladies abazongena ke endumbeni umuntu eze vele ngokuzohlola ihlole aphona ukuhlola uyabona nje ukuthi umuntu nje uyayiphuphela nje daydream nje leyo umuntu envisions wena naye ni somewhere nje kubhizi you know lapho ke umuntu masothula ukuthi gogo uyakwazi lokho engikhuluma ngakho khane sengazo snap out of lelo dream like bekaba nayo at that point in time, you know. Or abanye uyamhlola umuntu bese ke mhlambe uzokushela ke uzobuza ukuthi hayi mkhulu kodwa unayo umuntu kodwa or whatsoever, you know. So it's such challenges that I come across man endumbeni, you know. Nanoma nje uzama preserve that doctor and patient relationship, patient nje livele nje lizame ukhosa i-boundary nje that's put in place, you know. Afuna nje ukungenelela in your personal life, forgetting ukuthi uze la kule khaya uhlala kulo noma kule sigodlo sakho to get help. Azange wathi wena mhlambe you are seeking a girlfriend or a wife. If bowufuna kanjalo you would have went out, you know. But then naku ke ama patient kuba yibo as avelayo